Okay. In creating the model of body as well as the legs and feet, based on my preference, no, I want to have the topology reference here. So as you can see, we can actually visualize, no, how many cuts or how many subdivision we will need to apply in our model. Okay. So because in human anatomy, like we have breast part, the hips, and what we call this a leg socket. Okay, so basically we will divide it into three using edge selection. Okay, highlight it horizontally. In modeling toolkit, connect. Okay. The segments will be 3. Okay. We will need also to subdivide it into 2 vertically. Okay, highlight it vertically, connect, segments is 1. So enter. We can now align our object into the reference. So highlight this one. I will use move tool to align it in the nipple part and the pit, and then I will scale it like this. Highlight, scale. Okay. We can actually scale it also by the use of vertices selection. Okay. In this part, I will align these endpoints into this area, just like this one. After we align it into our given reference, let's check on the other side. It must be here. Okay. So if ever that you're not satisfied with the division that we created, it is okay to have the another divisions. Okay, for example, like 2 segments, vertices, adjust. By the way, this is only a low poly model. We don't need to create a ultra super realistic model, because you are practicing on the basics in creating character model. Okay, after this one, or if you want to achieve the curve here, add edge, and by the use of vertices, reshape it. Okay, so let's check in front view. Okay, how about the side view? Alright, now the next thing that we will do is, okay, look for the leg bracket or leg socket, sorry. You can actually highlight its shape of face. Okay, once we highlight it, hold shift, extrude. Okay, so we need to highlight the other area here. So moving on, hold shift, extrude, to align this or to create a horizontal line, because basically this is diagonal, we need to rotate it. Okay, extrude, extrude again. Okay, extrude, extrude, and then we can actually adjust it. So the important thing here is we must have a base reference. To achieve the curve, let's add divisions. Okay. By the way, no, personally, I don't want to have the recording session. Why? Because sayang naman, no? Sayang naman kung absent kayo tapos papanoorin niyo na lang yung recording, kasi syempre iba pa rin talaga kapag face to face yung klase. Kasi syempre nagbabayad kayo ng tuition, so dapat nasusulit natin yung nasusulit natin yung yung laboratories, yung pagiging aesthetically pleasing ng CIIT. That's why personally I don't want to record, kasi syempre pag nag-record ako, yung iba sa inyo is papanoorin na lang, diba? Pero kahit na napapanood nyo to, pasok pa rin, no? Pasok pa rin tayo para masaya, no? Para happy tayo. Okay. So after we model the front part, let's take a look on the side part, because actually it is not well aligned. So that's our next goal for today. Okay, kung nakarating kayo sa part na to, magpaparaffle ako. Just use the code hashtag 3D modeling. So kung nakarating kayo sa part na to, i-message nyo sa akin hashtag 3D modeling, and baka mapasama kayo sa mananalo ng exciting promos sponsored by Sir Aren Martinez. Okay, so I think we achieved the curves. You can monitor, no, angle by angle, what's happening inside your model. Okay, so just like this one. Okay, and for the foot, just highlight the front face, and by looking on the side view, extrude, vertices, adjust it, and here we go. We have a foot. Okay. And that's it for this video. Goodbye and thank you.